Welcome to Beginner's Japanese. Let's learn together. Today we'll learn how to use
に行きます
and
に行きました
to talk about where you go and where you went. First, let's learn how to talk about going somewhere in Japanese. We use the pattern place plus ni plus ikamasu. The word ni tells us the destination, the place you're heading to, and ikamasu means to go. So when you put them together, you can say things like I go to or I will go to. Let's look at an example.
学校に行きます
This phrase means I go to school. Gaku means school. Ni marks the destination, and ikamasu means go. So the whole sentence becomes I go to school or I will go to school. You can use this pattern with many different places. Repeat each phrase twice after the audio.
会社に行きます会社に行きます公園に行きます公園に行きます買い物に行きます買い物に行きますカラオケに行きますカラオケに行きます
Just change the place, and the meaning changes. Now let's learn how to talk about places you went in the past. We use the pattern place plus ni plus ikamashita. The word ni still shows the destination, the place you went to. And ikamashita is the past tense of ikamasu, meaning went. So when you put them together, you can say things like, I went to. Let's look at an example.
歯医者に行きました
This phrase means, I went to the dentist. Heisha means dentist. Ni marks the destination. And ikamashita means went. So the whole sentence becomes, I went to the dentist. You can use this pattern with many different places. Repeat each phrase twice after the audio.
東京に行きました東京に行きました海に行きました海に行きましたスーパーに行きましたスーパーに行きましたカフェに行きましたカフェに行きました
Just change the place, and you can talk about anything you did anytime in the past. Today's 3 words. Repeat each phrase twice after the audio.
温泉温泉図書館図書館病院病院
The PDF is available in the description. Please use it to review and practice.